really recommended this to me. My absolute dream. There was a bit of a debate. But it says, te dejo, eh?
Te amo.
Hola, gente. What is up, my badass angels? Welcome to yet another video where I test out new hair care on camera for the first time, and basically my hair takes the bullet for you guys. So if that sounds worth your time, make sure you are subscribed and turn on notifications so that we can get to meet again. As you can probably already tell by the title, today is the turn of BC Bonacure Keratin Smooth Treatment. This targets specifically very unruly wild hair, which clearly I have, or I wouldn't be stuck on this endless search for the perfect product. This contains cetyl alcohol, one of the good hydrating dimethicone, which is a silicone, and it also contains hydrolyzed keratin in quite significant quantities, panthenol, citric acid, amodimethicone, which is yet another silicone advised for bleached blonde hair, which also tends to be quite frizzy and porous. It sounds like something that could help with my frizz, but I guess we will need to apply and find out.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us. Do you wanna follow? There's something.
Smells a tiny bit like lavender. Don't quote me on that one. Touch this. Nice normal to thick type of cream. So it says to apply on shampooed, towel dried hair, then massage and allow to activate for 5 to 10 minutes. So that's quite fast. Since I have already spent a good 2 to 3 minutes massaging the product into the hair, I'm gonna set the timer to 7 minutes. I must confess, I do have high hopes and expectations because one of you guys really recommended this to me. First impressions on products that I have high hopes and high expectations for, they just don't go that well. I kind of feel that is what happened with the Magic Night Serum that we tested out. It's gonna be linked right here in the eye for those of you who missed it. There was a bit of a debate. I will check back in with you guys once I have this off my hair and we're ready to start. Okay, so I did struggle for a bit there rinsing this off my hair, but I'm pretty sure I have done a good job removing this. Kind of makes sense. It's kind of to be expected from a product that promises to give you some type of frizz control. Some other time we may go for an air dried test with the same product, but since I've been told multiple times that keratin treatments do need heat in order to be completely activated, hopefully this product will help me achieve ultra straight sleek look that I have in mind, but I have no idea what's going to happen, so I guess we'll have to wait and see. So today I'm gonna blow dry using my Elhim 3900 Healthy Ionic Blow Dryer.
Ella quiere farra, 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 farra. Ella quiere farra, farra, farra. Ella está soltera, no tiene alguien que la...
I'm so sorry to be a party pooper because I don't want to jump the gun, but this is the first impressions video and so far I am liking this. Let's finish blow drying and see if I change my mind.
Ella está soltera, no tiene alguien que la amarra.
Wait. Oof, substantially more shine. Very lightweight, not greasy or sticky. It's definitely not weighing my hair down. I cannot feel any product. It feels like naturally straight, smooth, sleek hair to me. Also, if you don't like strong fragrances in your hair care, this doesn't smell like much. It definitely made the styling process a lot easier. We're still gonna have to give this the test of time. I'm going to be doing a later checking, but before we do that, I want to go in with the hair straightener for a bit. I really don't know what else to say except I think this works. Honestly, I wish my hair could look like this every single day. And I just love the elegance of very straight, smooth, frizz-free hair. And also, since I have a bit of a rounded face, especially these days, it kind of flatters and elongates my face a little bit. Just makes it look a little bit less rounded. All right, so I'm gonna go now and I'm gonna be checking in with you guys to see what happened. It would break my heart if this all of a sudden went south. Hi! It's been about 4 hours since we last spoke. So I'm here editing this video actually. Oh my god. Is it just me or are my highlights even brighter? It's like everything feels and looks 100 times better, but in a natural way. A new standard when it comes to anti-frizz products. I am even planning to just go online and buy the other 2 products of the line. It may be even better than the Discipline line. I may even do a side-by-side battle of the anti-frizz treatments. In fact, I feel this would be an amazing treatment for right after having my hair olaplexed. Thank you so much to whoever recommended this to me. You really nailed it. Game changing for someone with my frizzy wild hair. What a great way to end the week with an amazing transformation. And of course, I am pre-filming my final message. I have no idea how this ended up doing. I hope this video helped you in some way to make the right purchase decision for you, or at least that it entertained you, because honestly, all I want is for us to hang out and have fun together. Make sure you are subscribed so that we get to meet again. I upload Wednesdays and Sundays at 9 a.m. Eastern. I have a very special video planned for Wednesdays. Please be here. I will catch up with you guys then. Ciao.
Come with me.
Do you wanna follow? Click here.